Yes, ma'am. I'm please tell.
So we are here for an English speaking course. So curious to know what is in store with this course? Pooja, can I start or I should wait for some more time?
Yes, ma'am. So I am the host now. I have given you sharing permissions. So you should
Okay.
be good to share anything you want. And
Okay.
yes, we can start this session. Spandan, are you excited? I want to
Yes.
quickly check. You are looking so cute with your specs. And my daughter is also looking cute. So she want me to say this.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. I'll just turn off my camera. Both of you can start talking and have fun. Yeah.
Yes.
Happy
Thanks,
learning.
Pooja.
Thank you.
Spandan, can you see me? Am I visible? Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Pakka? So since I cannot be there, we are not personally meeting each other. We are going to wave each other in every lecture we meet with a high five, a virtual high five. Okay? You know what's a high five is? So you just have to wave your hand till your camera. And it's a high five from me as well. Great. Okay. So can we start with today's class?
Yes, ma'am.
It is not something related to academics or some grammar or some exams. It is just learning to speak English, but definitely in a fun way. Are you curious to know what the fun way is?
Yes.
Okay, so before I start, we both are meeting for the first time, isn't it? Louder, I can't hear you.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Okay, had good food right now, no? Did you have your food?
Yes.
So you might be having energy like Beam. Yes or no? Yes or no? Louder.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Since you have more energy, I am audible, so I would love Spandan to be audible as well. Okay? Then we'll have lots of fun together. Fine? So since I'm seeing you for the first time, what am I going to do now is, you know this game? Have you seen this game anytime?
Ma'am, no.
No? This game is called Jenga. This is a building blocks game. It's a very interesting game. But today I'm using this blocks. I have few blocks with me. Blue color, red color, pink color, green and yellow. Okay? Understood? If you understand, you need to give me a thumbs up. So I will be clear that you are understanding what I'm teaching. Very good. So this is a pink color and I will be asking you one question with every block. Okay? And you will be giving me answers for the same. Correct? Where is your thumbs up?
Yes.
Great. Okay. So the pink one is for, I would like to know what is your full name. What is your name?
Spandan Tiwari.
See now, since we are in English course, I would like to know your name in a complete sentence. So if someone asks you, what is your name? How are you going to say it boldly?
My name is Spandan Tiwari.
Very good. Thank you. Here comes the next one. Which block do you want?
Ma'am.
Any color which I showed you? Okay, fine. Green. Okay. The green block says, which school do you go?
Ma'am, I go in Little Angels High School.
Okay. I go to Little Angel High School. What will say?
I go to Little Angels High School.
Okay. And which standard are you studying? This block has one more question for you. Which standard are you in?
I am in third C.
Very good. I study in class 3rd C. What do you say?
I study in class third C.
Very good. Thank you. And now I have one more block. This block says, what is your hobby?
My hobby is singing.
Oh, you love singing?
Yes.
Fond of songs?
Yes.
What kind of songs?
English.
English songs? I would like to hear them sometime later, okay? Pakka,
Okay.
give me a thumbs up. Good. Now I have 2 blocks left. You can tell me whichever you want. Then the question will get unfold.
Blue.
Blue. Okay. Blue one says, which is your favorite dish?
What?
Which is your favorite dish? Which mama makes for you?
Cake.
Sorry? Cakes.
Cake.
Wow. Cake, you said?
Yes.
Which cakes? Okay, no problem. Oh, then you are really going to enjoy today's class since you like cakes. And here I have the last block. This block says the name of your best friend.
My sister is my best friend.
Very nice. She's elder to you.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. How old is she?
Ma'am, 12.
Oh, ma'am, my sister is 12 years old. Okay. So henceforth, anybody asks you any kind of questions, how are you going to answer them? In one full sentence. Sure?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, great. So now since I know you very well with all the help of these blocks, I'm going to start with something new. Now, how are we going to do it? I'm going to share a picture with you. Okay? And ideally, we write by looking at the picture. But today, I'm audible, Spandan. Am I audible?
Yes.
So every time, whenever teacher gives a picture in the class, we need to write, right? It's a picture composition, correct? But here we are going to right now do a picture talking. The picture is going to talk. And you know who will be the speaker for that picture talk?
Who?
You guess and tell me who will be the speaker.
Ma'am, you.
I will be sharing. I'll be a part speaker for the same. So Spandan will be the speaker for the picture, and definitely I will be your partner. Okay, to be the speaker in that session. So can we start with the picture talk?
Yes.
And right now you told me you love cakes. What do you love?
Cakes.
Cakes. So today's theme is coincidentally a birthday party. Okay. Do you like going to birthday parties?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So I am excited to share the picture with you, and we both are going to have a nice conversation on that picture talk. Done? Pakka?
Yes.
Okay. Thank you. Just give me a minute. Just give me a minute, Spandan. Okay. Can you see this?
Yes, ma'am.
Is the picture completely audible, visual seen to you? Can you see the picture very clearly? It's
No, ma'am, I can see clearly.
now it is clear.
No.
What is the difficulty in viewing it?
It's blur.
Okay. Now can you see it clearly?
No.
Oh. Now, can you at least see the picture? The characters in the picture?
Yes.
Okay. Are you able to see those characters in the entire picture?
Yes, ma'am.
Great. So now can we start with a picture talking?
Yes.
And who will be the speaker for this picture talk?
Ma'am, I.
Very good. And in movies, you always see the screen, right? You see the movie going. Lion King, you can see the lion. But there is somebody, Shah Rukh Khan behind it, right? Shah Rukh Khan who gives voice to the picture. Okay. So here, Spandan is going to about the picture, but you are not going to give voice. You are going to let me know what all things you can see for the picture and what is the theme for the picture. Ready? Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now Spandan can tell me what all things you can see in that picture.
Ma'am, a, a teddy bear and balloons, speakers.
Hmm? Okay, now Spandan, you can say, I can see a teddy bear. I can see a bunch of balloons. Is the balloon single balloon or in cluster and bunch?
Ma'am.
Bunch. So what Spandan can say? I can see a bunch of balloon and I can see a what
Ma'am,
else can you see? Okay, come on, it's Spandan's time now. Spandan is going to casually tell me what all pictures you can see and what is the theme for the picture.
a cake and some food.
Okay,
And the people is taking the food
okay,
and dancing.
and dancing. Okay, what else?
Ma'am, there is written happy birthday.
Right. So now, happy birthday is written, but do you want to know it's written on what? So they have put up a banner with the heading called Happy Birthday. What have they put up?
Banner.
Banner. What is written on that banner?
Happy birthday.
So can you say now in a sentence what is written and what is it?
It's a banner and it's
Banner.
here written happy birthday.
Correct. And the picture says about, what is the picture about?
Happy birthday.
So it's a birthday celebration going on, right? It's a birthday celebration going on with a banner put up stating Happy Birthday. What is it?
Banner and
Stating,
written
yes, very
happy.
good. Very good. Give me a high five. Give me a high five. Okay, great, Spandan. Now you told me about that's a birthday celebration going on with a banner put up stating Happy Birthday. Now, what all things you can see in that picture?
Ma'am, gifts.
Gifts. Where are the gifts? What color is the gift?
Red.
Red color. So it's a gift wrapped in a red color design paper. So it's a gift wrapped in a red color design paper, right? Okay, then
Ma'am, then uh, a picture of fairy.
a picture of fairy. Okay, then Very good, Spandan.
I'm done.
Done? No more things you can see? Now I will let you know. So many hidden things are there in the birthday celebration. Just hear clearly, okay? Now it's a birthday celebration with a banner put up stating Happy Birthday. Her mama, the girl name, okay, what's your sister's name?
I don't know.
What's your sister's name?
Oh, ma'am. Arohi.
Arvi. Arvi, right?
No, ma'am. Arohi.
Arohi, okay. So it's Arohi's birthday party and your mama is throwing a party for Arohi. And in that party, there are so many guests. It includes a huge list of guests. Few we can see in this picture. There are guests, there are friends, there are kids. And they all are enjoying the birthday party. What you can see on their faces? What kind of expressions you can see on their faces?
Smiling.
It's a smiling face. And what else? What kind of
Laughing.
feeling might be there?
Laughing.
Laughing. Very good. Anything else?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So now Spandan is going to tell me only 3 sentences for the picture. Okay. Whatever comes to your mind by looking at the picture, and we just spoke about in detail about the picture, you are going to tell me 3 sentences about the picture. Will you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Start, Spandan.
The cake. The cake is very tasty.
Okay. But that is what you will understand by tasting it. What you can see in the picture.
The cake's color is brown.
Okay, very good.
And there
Very good. Keep saying. Okay, I will tell you about the object. You will say the sentence, right? So now the first object is the banner. The first word is banner. What sentence you can tell me with the help of that banner?
the banner see written happy birthday.
Great. So there is a banner and the banner is stating happy birthday. Very good. Second sentence. Whose birthday it is?
Arohi.
But you are going to answer in complete sentence from today, right? You know, after 10 days, your friends will be amazed. Spandan is speaking so well. How come? So here's the hidden package, right? Okay, start, Spandan.
The birthday is Arohi.
It is Arohi's birthday party. It is, say after
Ar-
me,
it is Arohi's birthday party.
very good. There are lots of friends and guests at the birthday party.
There is lots of friends in birthday party.
Okay, so now we have one friend or more friends.
Friends.
Friends. So there are so many guests and friends at the birthday party. We use is when there is only one. We use are where there are more than one, right? So there are many friends at the birthday party. Very good, Spandan. Now next sentence. Come up with 2 more now. The next object is balloons.
The balloons color is red, blue,
Hmm?
yellow and purple.
Very good. So now you told me the colors correctly. There is a bunch of balloon. There are two bunches of balloon being put up. How many bunches you can see?
2.
Two. So there are two bunches of balloon with different colors. How many bunches?
2 bunches of balloons are
Very good.
different color.
With different colors. This
Of
is,
dif-
okay, now I will give you another object. Now I can see the cake. You can tell me one sentence about the cake. How the cake is? You told me there is a cake at the birthday party. How the cake is? How
The
is the cake?
cake's color is brown.
Okay, what else? Anything else you can add on for the cake?
The cake the in the cake the
Very good.
candles is yeah.
Very good. Okay, now listen to me. Fine. It's a, how many layers you can see in the cake? One or two?
2.
So it's a two-layered cake, which is brown in color. So it's a chocolate cake with how many candles? I think it's 4 candles in the cake. Okay. So it's a two-layered cake with brown in color and a chocolate cake. And Aro is turning how many years old?
12.
She is 12. But Aro in the picture is turning 4 years old. Because how many candles are there on the cake?
4.
So 4 candles means she's turning how many years old?
4.
Willing to know more about the picture now? Can we go ahead?
Yes.
Okay. Sure? If you're sure, what are you going to do? Great. Now, we know there's a banner being put up stating happy birthday. Mama is there with Arohi in the cake cutting. Her friends are enjoying, dancing and smiling in the birthday party. There are two big bunches of balloon being put in the birthday party. And what kind of decoration is there in the birthday party?
The curtains and the speakers.
Curtains, speakers, and what else is there on the curtain?
A bunch of balloons.
Very good. Very good.
A
And a poster or a picture of teddy bear, and she's Cinderella, if I'm not wrong. Right? So on the curtain, there is a beautiful decoration with a teddy bear poster and a Cinderella. And now we are moving towards the people. There are so many guests or so many people we can see. So the one in yellow is Arohi's dada, who is taking a picture of Arohi and her mama along with her friends. What is dada doing?
he's clicking picture of Arohi and his mom.
Do you like clicking pictures for yourself?
Yes.
Sure. And do you like taking photos of others? Very good. Do you like taking photos of others?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Now dada is taking pictures. Mama is busy cake cutting. We have friends enjoying. Now let's come to food. Do you like food?
Yes.
Do you like to eat variety of food?
Yes.
So there are so many items in put up on the table. I am really very hungry looking at them. Are you hungry?
Yes, ma'am.
So let's gulp or munch on some of the sweets from the table. Can we eat? Can we eat something from the table? Let's go to Arohi's birthday.
Ma'am, his birthday is
She
in
is.
1st May.
Her birthday is 1st May. Okay. But this Arohi in the picture, I'm talking about this little girl in the picture. Okay. We have named her Arohi. So now we are going to eat. I'm going to have some of the sweets. I can see there are cold drinks. What else can you see in the picture?
Ma'am, cupcakes, French fries.
Very nice. And
Ma'am, I can't see.
okay, there are cupcakes. These are fries. These are chocolates. These are juices. And we can say these are some additional chocolates being put up in a big bowl. So can you just describe me about how the bottles are kept?
Bottles are kept in tray.
Yes. So how will Spandan say? The bottles are placed in a big tray, followed by, which is the next picture? Sorry.
A bowl of chocolates.
So it's not bowl, you'll say a bowl of chocolates. It's a,
Bowl.
okay, so it's a big bowl of chocolates. And I can see something interesting on the other table as well. So which are the other stuff on the other table, which teacher and Spandan would like to eat?
Cupcakes in the tray.
The cupcakes.
In the tray.
The cupcakes are very well placed in the tray. Have they just kept it like that, or they are very well placed neatly?
Neatly.
So the cupcakes are very well placed in the tray neatly. Then what else?
The French fries in bowl.
They have added a few French fries. They have added few French fries in a big, which color bowl?
Red bowl.
Very good. And I think it's difficult for us to trace the next two jars, no? Can you see which two jars are there?
I can't.
You can't. Okay, no problem. Now Spandan will tell me 5 sentences only about food. Will you?
Oh.
Sure?
Yes, ma'am. Sure.
Thumbs up. Now calmly, slowly come up with good sentences about these 5 food things which we said right now. Start.
The bottles kept in the tray.
Okay, the bottles are kept in the tray. Then
The chocolates in ball.
very good. So I will just add on here. The chocolates are placed in a big bowl. How do we pronounce it?
Bowl.
Bowl, which is followed by water juices. I mean, it's followed by juice tray. Okay. Next, third one.
The cupcake. The cupcakes kept in tray.
How are they placed? How many cupcakes are there?
6.
6 cups. Okay. Then next.
The red bowl. In the red bowl.
Bowl. How do we pronounce it?
Bowl.
The red bowl.
In the red bowl, it has French fries.
Okay. Very good, Spandan. In the red bowl, the red bowl is filled with lot many French fries. There is a heap of French fries in the red bowl.
There is
Okay.
a heap of French fries in the red bowl.
Very good. What else?
I can see.
What else can you see? So we are done with juices, we are done with chocolates, we are done with cupcakes and French fries. Very good, Spandana. Clap for you from me. Very well said. You came up with so many sentences, right? So now we will move on to the guest of the birthday party.
Yes.
How
Sneha
many
ma'am.
friends are there?
Sneha
Yes,
ma'am and
sir.
Spandan, sorry to interrupt in middle. Actually, after
Yeah.
5 minutes, this call will get disconnected. So I would just
Okay.
request both of you to let's disconnect now itself and then rejoin on the same link so that our link will not be break in middle. Yeah, is that okay?
Okay. Yeah.
Spandan, are you okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, awesome. Let's drop from here and then rejoin at the same link.
Okay.